Okay, I'm gonna do the sphere demo or first part of it here for you. Just a quick note for this assignment with the value scale, this is where your spray fixative comes in handy. So use this, take it outside, well-ventilated area. Do not do it in your apartment or your kitchen. This is something you should do on your deck. And then spray it evenly across the page. You can do it a few times. So this is where you would use it. All right, also for the sphere drawing, you probably want to use it too, and you will use it again in our assignment 3. Okay, so I'm just going to use the lightest pencil I have because I want to lightly draw a circle. So like I said, let's go for like, you know, a 3-inch round circle. If you go too small, you won't really get the lightly draw. And you can also erase the line too, right? Or break it up with your kneaded eraser. All right, we have a circle. Great. So, also, what does this circle needs? The sphere needs a plane, so let's give it a little plane. I'm gonna lightly draw. All right. Now, if you look at the assignment, this is going to be made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. But we can start with, let's start with 4, and then we'll add in the other 2. All right, so let's say our light source is coming from on this angle. So imagine the sun is right here, and it hits our object. So this would be maybe the highlight. This is going to be the light, the shadow core. Shadow core. It goes like that. Okay. And shadows are a little tricky, so go in lightly. You can always erase or add. So I'm going to switch up pencils now. Since this is going to be the darkest part, I might as well go in a little darker. Maybe we'll do a 2B. And remember the important thing about differentiating the different planes. So this circle sphere is going to be in our foreground, and then our background, we need to differentiate this here, right? So another thing to do, maybe, I don't know, this is not science, right? If you have a different texture, we automatically are telling the viewer that this shape is in front of this shape. Okay. Using your hot crosshatch technique. It's like one way. This probably would be like number what? I don't know. Number 1. So anytime the plane changes, the tone changes. So this is going to be closer to us than this, right? Let's go B. Can also go crosshatch in the direction of the object. It sort of helps the illusion. Okay. Slider, that might even be too dark. This is the core, so here we go. Getting in darker here. And then almost the darkest part. Okay, so let me find my HB. What is this, 6B? So find that flat edge. This is here, we get darker in here. So you can push. This is where your kneaded eraser gets in. I don't like that. So let's make things a little more fluid. Okay, break up these lines. Break up the shadow. Is that hot? You can erase back into it. Also, we do have a reflective light here, so something you wanna. This takes time. This is gonna take you. It's gonna take you a couple. You know, put it away. Maybe do a couple versions. But already starting to look like something. Again, and give this some surface value, right? This could even be a whole different tone if you really wanted to, as long as it differentiates. It has to be. I actually think my shadow needs to be bigger. You know, trust your intuition. But this is about drawing formal. It's not about what you see, right? Just following the rules. Remember to switch your pencils. You don't want to be drawing with a a B6 if you're doing this. It doesn't have to be uniform. You saw all the examples of cross-hatching. So everyone has a style. I have a little messy style. Some people more precision drawers, but I think it's more interesting personally. You know, if everything was really uniform. All right, so you got the idea. I'll keep working on this and I'll show you next class. But we're already getting somewhere. I mean, step back, have a look too. I can see just in there that was a little harsh. Or maybe it needed to be bigger. this probably needs to be darker. A core shadow. Oh, there we go. It just popped. Did you catch that? So play with your shades. You can use cross-hatching or some kind of gestural mark making. There, we're getting there. All right, I'm gonna leave this to you and have fun.